What's good, family? Welcome back. It's that time to kill some boredom, baby. Man, it's cold. I hate the cold. But anyway, I just changed my battery terminals on my minivan I bought. They were corroding. Like, I swear, every car I buy, they corrode. So I ended up upgrading to some marine grade. And I forgot to show y'all the videos. So I'm actually about to do my Dodge Neon. I'm going to upgrade those because they have corrosion also. And I figured I'd bring y'all along. Let's get it. So, see, these are the Neon. They're all ugly, ratty, beat up, not even or symmetrical as you see. you know, and they're gonna go over here to something pretty like this. Nice and pretty, simple little fix. The only critique I feel is they should have like a lock washer on them. I feel like this should have a washer under it. It didn't come with one, but it works. I just cranked it down, then put a wrench on it, gave it a little quarter turn. So I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. Let's get it. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna remove it, but I got this fancy little kit right here. It's pretty cool, guys. My buddy gave it to me. Normally, I just use car cleaner or something like that, but I figured I'd try a new product, see how it is. Alright, so this is supposed to remove corrosion and all that flim flam. So we're gonna see what that does. Alright. Okay, to clean the post, guys, it's really, really easy. All you do, take your cleaner tool. It only can go one way, you see. Look. Bam. And if you can go both ways and you wore it out, your transformer's bad. Bam. There we go. Give it a little clean. So I'm gonna spray this on. Let that do its thing. While that's doing its thing, we're gonna get back over here. Okay, we're gonna remove these fancy things. You see these all beat up, all corroded and yuck. Okay, I'm gonna strip this wire and clean it up. Alright, it's been sitting for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna get it off. Use water is what it suggests. I use water cleaner. Alright. Yep, we are good. I have to get that. Give it a little scrub. Alright, we're not getting it perfect, but we do want to get a lot of that rust off. And I'm a firm believer of if you could score the rust off in any form, do it. Don't just rely on the chemical. There we go. That one's good. Yeah, that's good. What we're using right here, Duralast Gold Zinc Marine terminals. These were automotive terminals of some form I got, but they didn't hold up to the test of 4 years, so here we are. So the minivan I worked on just yesterday, its kit didn't come with any washers, and this one has two, so I'm going to cannibalize a pair to put on the minivan I worked on. A lot of people don't know this, guys, but your negative and battery terminal connectors, they tend to be different sizes. 3/8 is your positive. I don't know the negative, I just know 3/8 is your positive because that tends to be the one that has the bigger post. Yeah, does it? Yep, so it has a P. Yeah, it says 3/8. Oh, 5/16. So if you need to know, 5/16. But that's just, I've punched out a few holes for new terminals. I prefer to use these actually. Okay, now we're gonna use our anti-corrosive, and basically it's just like a gel of some kind, Vaseline, whatever you want to call it, and it just greases and lubes up the connection. And make sure you get your burrs. Perfect. All right. Okay. Perfect fit, guys. This power connection right here is actually to some 6x9s. Matter of fact, I'm gonna wrap it like so. Put the washer on. Sandwich it like that. Before I crank it all the way down. Okay, now that they lubed up, I like to use these anti-corrosive washers. They make the corrosion, they lower it down, they come pre-lubed with the spray. I'm actually going to spray a little more on it just because I have it. And what this does is it prevents the fumes that are seeping through your battery that's making corrosion come. It helps prevent that corrosion. Okay, what I'm going to do, my wire is so big for what I got going on. I'm going to split the difference of the wire. And this is my wire to my, like if you had subs, but mine are going to 6x9s. But same concept, there's an amp and all that good stuff. There we go. Now that's a lot cleaner. Now we're gonna hook up the negative. You can see the lube popping through. That's a good sign. This thing, I think it might have just died, guys. I use them till the wheels fall off. Yeah, My 13 mil socket starting to warp. But that's all good. It's a battery terminal. Ain't got a V balls tight. It just got a V tight. Oh yeah. Now that these are tight, I'm gonna take some pliers and twist these to tighten these down. And make sure you don't touch your two connections. I've done it before. It sucks. That's tight enough. There we go. Those are on there. And one last thing I like to do is spray everything one last time. You're good to go. And we'll give it some time. This vehicle, it like every 2 to 3 months, I always get corrosion. So in 90 days, I'll do a review video and let y'all know what happens. And you're good to go, guys. Thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.